Hi, in this video we're going to tell you about the legendary Turbo Elite grill. The one that we're showing you here is our 4-burner cart model, but we also offer a 5-burner as well as built-in configurations. At first glance, the thing that catches your eye are the control knobs, which are illuminated by distinctive blue LED lights. On the inside of the grill, the Turbo Elite comes with halogen lights to make your evening grilling easier while keeping the cooking surface clearly visible. The grids are made entirely of 304 stainless steel rods. Right below the grates, the Turbo Elite comes with ceramic flame tamers. The flame tamers are designed to distribute heat evenly. These flame tamers also protect your burners and turn drippings into vapors, enhancing your flavor. The flame tamers are made of stainless steel housing and beveled high-end ceramic briquettes. The Turbo Elite comes standard with heavy-duty cast 304 stainless steel burners. What's also unique about these burners is that they have holes all the way around the burners, which ensures that you have even heat from the front of the grill to the back of the grill. Here is a comparison of the Turbo Elite burner next to other cast stainless burners and a common tube-style burner used in many grills on the market today. When you take a look at these burners, it's easy to see why we back them with a limited lifetime warranty. Each conventional burner is rated for 12,000 BTUs, providing a combined total of 48,000 BTUs of cooking power. The Turbo Elite comes standard with a 12,000 BTU infrared rear burner. It also comes standard with the rotisserie kit. You can use the rotisserie kit with the rear infrared burner and its 12,000 BTUs. The hood of the Turbo Elite is double-lined for maximum durability and heat retention. It also features an easy-read thermometer. When you need additional cooking space, the Turbo Elite comes with a removable warming rack. You can use that for toasting buns or baking side dishes. Thank you for your time. For more information on the Turbo Elite line or any of the Turbo lines, please give us a call or check us out online today.